Homemade ricotta and Iowa mom? You gotta show me how.
Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom, and I'm going to make my own ricotta cheese for my homemade lasagna. It's easy to do, and it really is quite inexpensive compared to what I was finding in the store. So here's my easy to make ricotta cheese. I'm starting with 2% milk, 6 cups. And you need to use at least 2% or whole. And we're pouring that into a large saucepan. Okay, I put it on medium heat, and I use a thermometer, and I'm setting the thermometer for 200 degrees. I've got the alarm on, so I will be able to tell right away when it reaches that high. I do give it a stir every so often, just so it doesn't scald on the bottom. Let's get ready to strain the milk. We're going to need a strainer, and I'm going to use cheesecloth. I bought this at Dollar Tree, and I just fold it in thirds. I just reuse the same one over and over. I'm putting that 3 layers of cheesecloth over my strainer. That's going to separate the curds from the whey. I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of vinegar. We've got that all ready to go. It's almost 200 degrees. Whoops, it is 200. Okay, I'm turning that heat off right now. It's all kind of frothy on top and foamy. Next, we're going to put in the vinegar. And this is going to cause the milk to separate. And that's what makes it into cheese. You can see it's already starting to separate. And very quickly, I want to also add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir that in. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. Okay, my timer went off. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm checking this, and it's definitely all separated out. The white stuff is the curd, and the yellow stuff is the whey. And the curd is what we're using for our cheese. Okay, now I'm going to just carefully pour that into my cheesecloth strainer there. It's slumping down in there, so I'll just let it finish its straining on my saucepan. Now you can see already that it's looking like ricotta. If you want it really moist, you can just use it like this. I let it set a little bit longer so that it's a little drier and more crumbly. I'm going to be putting it into a little container. It just rolls right out of there, and it just looks like it's expensive ricotta, doesn't it? When I'm done using my cheesecloth, instead of throwing it away, I just rinse it out, throw it in the washing machine, and when I'm done, I just hang it up to dry. I don't throw away my whey. I instead save it and put it in jars, because even though it doesn't taste like anything, it does have a lot of protein to it. So I can add a little bit of whey to a smoothie. I can add it to any kind of soups. It gives us more protein. I've got 2 jars of whey. That was way easy. Store it in the refrigerator. The whey and the ricotta.
Homemade ricotta? You gotta try it.
This is Lena Shea, and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching.